Here I have a car radiator and I connected it to a PC water cooling pump. You can see we use an adapter and a hose barb to connect the two. And we can have a look at the front of the radiator. We bought this radiator brand new and it's quite cheap. And we looked at the hose barb and the fittings. It used a 15mm, and in this example we converted it to a 8mm. Here we got some water tubes. I purchased a 15 and a 13mm. And then we have some hose barbs. I purchased a 17 to 16, but it's slightly small. And here we got the fittings, which convert from the 15mm to 8mm. And after the hose barb to clamp it on, it's quite tight and connected properly. So this is a good way to save money instead of buying overpriced PC radiators and putting a lot of fans. It can give you a lot of cooling. This particular fan is rated for 60 watts. So we're gonna have to have some buck converter or PWM to slow the fan cooling down. Or if we want, we can replace the fan with a few PC fans instead. And we don't want to use this fan. The fan is quite large, I think 15 to 20 centimeters. Overall, I think this is a great way to save money for people who want extreme cooling or need water cooling with a lot of power. And it's much better than putting a few 360 radiators together, which is hard to do. Takes a lot of time to get the mounting mechanisms and everything done to put a few 360 radiators together, and the performance is probably not as good as using a car radiator. For this example, I'm not using it for a PC, but I have some Peltier devices, and I was planning to upgrade my outdoor radiator to this one. This one, the fan is inherently weatherproof, and it's much better than the ghetto weatherproofing solution that I use with my PC radiators and I mount it outside of my window. The car radiator can be used in many situations as long as we have a converter to convert its original hose diameter to a different one that we're using. And it's great for Peltier cooling, PC water cooling, and many different situations. And because it's mass manufactured product, we bought this one brand new for very cheap. This one we bought particularly shows the hose diameter, some don't. So we went with a store that shows the dimensions and the hose diameter. To sum it up, the car radiator is mass produced and cheap, and because we don't need to have multiple 360 radiators to keep up with the cooling of a car one, it's much easier to mount, only requiring one mounting mechanism, and it will probably save space because it's one big unit instead of many small units all over the place. And it's quite cheap to build because all of the parts are commonly used and mass produced. It's very cheap.